one of my early on cases that I think molded me into the trial lawyer that I am today was working with Terry Polino. Terry is a wonderful woman, wonderful wife, wonderful mother who worked at Walmart, who went in to have a back surgery done, and the surgeon, who had a high complication rate, what we found out later. She didn't know this at the time. She trusted the hospital, she trusted the doctor to take care of her. Come to find out, the Arkansas State Medical Board had done a audit of this surgeon's neck surgeries, and that letter is actually hanging up in our stairwell right now. And the State Medical Board knew that this orthopedic surgeon had a 70-some-odd% complication rate. That's dangerously high. But didn't tell the public. The hospital didn't tell the public. The doctor didn't tell the public. They just kept operating on people. And Terry Polino was a victim of that. And it paralyzed her from the sternum down. My phone rang just a few minutes ago, and I had to pause. That was Terry Polino calling my cell phone number. I looked over there. And this was several years ago, I think 2009. Terry and I still talk today. The reason that's so important is I got to witness strength unimaginable. You know, I'm able to stand up upright. I'm able to do pretty much whatever I want. Terry Polino's in a wheelchair all day long, every day, and will be the rest of her life. Yet she still pushes forward. And when we filed the lawsuit in that particular case, it was against multiple entities. And the case against the surgeon, it settled. And we were able to set aside that confidential amount of money to take care of Terry Polino. But Terry decided she wanted to move forward against the hospital on a negligent credentialing claim, because the hospital knew how dangerous this surgeon was, but yet still continued to allow him to operate on patients. And I asked Terry, why do you want to do this? And she said, because I don't want this to happen to somebody else. And we've got to go to the entity who can stop it. So at that time, negligent credentialing was a matter of first impression, something new in Arkansas. It hadn't been pursued. But she had the strength and the courage to pursue that lawsuit. And so did Bailey and Oliver Law Firm. And we took that lawsuit on. Unfortunately, we lost. The Arkansas Supreme Court ruled that Arkansas will not recognize negligent credentialing as a cause of action. And so Terry Polino lost her lawsuit against the hospital. But watching her resilience and strength in pursuing that case, and then after it's all said and done, I go over and I visit with Terry. I see how she's doing. We talk to each other on the cell phone. And to go, I don't know that I would have the strength to go through what she has and still be that strong, still be that loving to her family members, and still have such a great attitude. It's folks like Terry Polino make you proud to be a trial lawyer.